Hey guys, Ed Welsh with Millennium Treestands. In Montana today hunting out of our brand new Q200 buck hunt. It's my first time ever and I am impressed. One of the things I like the most about it is the adjustable shooting rails. As you can see, if I'm holding the rifle here, I don't have a rest, okay? So what we've got is adjustable shooting rails. I can unsnap these, snap these back in. Now I've got a shooting rest. We had these on every single window in this buck hunt. You need to get one.